Mumbai, beautiful city of dreams. यहाँ हर कोई सुंदर दिखना चाहता है, बनना चाहता है और रहना चाहता है। मैं रोजपुरी एज ए ब्यूटी एक्सपर्ट एंड स्किन एक्सपर्ट इसी सुंदरता की चाह की खोज में एक शख्स से मिली, जो है डॉक्टर पराग तेलांग। वेलकम टू द शो, जिसका नाम है कॉस्मेटिक टेल्स विद मी रोजपुरी एंड डॉक्टर पराग तेलांग।
See, we have planned it like an advanced center for cosmetic surgery. So whatever equipment, machinery is needed for all the surgeries, everything is there. Plus we have made sure that the atmosphere is relaxed and patients don't feel scared or intimidated. I will also show you one of the rooms where the patient goes after the surgery. So we have made sure that the patient's stay is comfortable, and even post surgery when they go to the room to rest, they are absolutely calm and comfortable.
Yes. So I want to know that, from one clinic to a hospital, your hospital, I really want to know that, did you plan this or did you already see that,
No, it was not like a planned thing, but वो होते गया, and I got a lot of exposure in seeing other clinics in Europe. So थोड़ा सा idea मिला how to plan a cosmetic surgery center. So I will show you one of the rooms also where the patient comes after the surgery.
Definitely.
So this is how the suite room is.
Okay.
So this is where the patient comes after the surgery. Now this also is very spacious. One relative can be with the patient. There is a TV, there is Wi-Fi, there is a wardrobe, and all have self-contained bath. So the patient is comfortable.
It's well planned, I would say that. So let's take a round of, thank you so much. So sir, I want to know that, I've seen myself experienced also that your relationship with your staff is like a friendly. They are like a family, and they are. Like,
most of my staff has been with me for more than 4 to 5 years now, and yes, I treat them like my family. I mean, they're all good
I've
people.
experienced from last 4 years that how they are with you, like a team, like a proper team, and like a family. And I believe that you really believe in. I've seen that you believe in women empowerment. It feels so great that you being at some position, you are giving opportunity to a lot of women.
Sure.
And to me also, sir, that I'm really grateful for that. And I see that it is so well planned and so. Did you see? I mean, like it is like from one clinic to your hospital. I think it's a big achievement in life. And what do you see after this now?
I don't know. We are still in the process of thinking.
Still in the process of thinking that. So I think I wish we have a bigger hospital.
मन मिलाऊ स्वभाव है उनका। पेशेंट के साथ वो घर के जैसा रिलेटिव होते हैं वैसा बर्ताव करते हैं। नवीन नवीन शिकायला मिळतं जे बघितलं नाही आयुष्यामध्ये ते इथे बघायला मिळालं। मतलब प्लास्टिक सर्जरीमध्ये आपण काय विचार केलेला नसतो तो इथं प्रत्यक्षात बघायला मिळाला। बरेचसे हॉस्पिटलमध्ये मी काम केलं, दुसऱ्या हॉस्पिटलमध्ये पण काम केलं, पण त्यांच्या इतका फास्ट सर्जन मी पाहिला नाही। म्हणजे
The environment is very good. The staff, we are like, it's like a family for us.
So let's talk about one of the hottest topic. It's about breast implantment, and I am really confused as a woman that is it good thing to do or what is that? So just help me to clear this.
See, again, with the breast augmentation surgery, there are so many myths, so many misconceptions that people have. Some people believe that breast implant करने से cancer हो जाता है. Some people believe that future में breastfeeding नहीं कर पाते हैं. So these are all myths. Now the type of breast implants that we use, they are absolutely safe. They are made of cohesive silicone gel, and they come with like a lifetime warranty.
Okay.
So once you do this surgery, it's for life. It does not interfere in, even if you do it in an unmarried girl and in future she becomes pregnant, has a baby, it does not interfere with breastfeeding, and it can remain in your body for the rest of your life.
Okay.
It does not have any interference with anything.
So I want to know, it's a personal choice, and there's nothing right or wrong about
Correct.
it. Why?
Correct.
Because there's so many things that we do to enhance
Correct.
ourselves.
Correct. What I see is it gives so much of confidence to women. Yes, it does.
So again, our job is to give a confidence. That's what we're doing, creating a happiness in people's life.
For sure.
So I think there is no myth that you can't breastfeed breastfeed or something or related to that. I think a lot of people are just scared that, you know,
Correct.
again we come
And
to the
in
point.
fact, amongst all the cosmetic surgeries that we perform, it has the smoothest recovery in terms of the pain and recovery. Like within 5-7 days, you're back to your daily normal routine.
Okay, that's so simple.
Yeah.
And duration of a surgery?
It's like 45 minutes to 1 hour.
45 minutes and 5 to 7 days of recovery. I mean, that sounds really cool.
Yeah.
And I think science has so much of, like, you know, improvement, and we have
For
come
sure.
up with a lot of things. So I think it's a properly safe to do it.
Absolutely
And
safe.
again, it's a personal choice. You
Yeah.
want to do it or not.
Yes. So this is the procedure room
Okay.
where we do some minor procedures also.
Okay, so this is your procedure room. So, but I want to know, what are you holding in your hand now?
Take it.
Okay.
These are the silicone implants which are used for breast augmentation.
Okay.
So they contain silicone in a gel form.
Okay.
So they don't burst, they don't leak. Even if something sharp hits this implant, it does not get punctured.
I had this question before. I mean, you already answered this question. I had this question in my mind. What if it get burst or
No,
because
it
of the
doesn't.
heat or
Nothing
something?
happens due to heat or due to
Nothing.
pressure or nothing happens.
It's totally safe.
It's
So,
absolutely safe.
what is the life of this implant?
It remains as long as the patient wants.
That's
for
it.
life. Yeah.
For lifelong.
The older
and,
generation of implants were for 5 years, 10 years like that. These are almost for life. And they come in
Almost.
different shapes. Like this is a round implant, this is an anatomical implant.
Okay.
So depending on what is the body type that one person has, we can customize it.
Then it is part of your life for the entire life.
People forget about it later on. They don't even remember that they have a breast implant.
I mean, like, I had a lot of question that, you know, we cleared so many myths about the breastfeeding and this kind of, you know, it is totally safe. So I mean, like, I'm looking at your procedure room, and the one thing that I really like about it is so clean, sir.
Yeah.
I think this is the one of the most important
Actually you have to give credit to my wife. She makes sure that everything
sure
is
that
neat and
everything
clean.
neat and clean.
Yeah, and we have a good staff to take care of
yeah, I mean, I see that, and it is so well planned and it's so clean, and the procedure room. So you do all the procedure here, the mini procedures.
These are the minor procedures
Okay.
which I do here,
Okay.
and the other procedures which require anesthesia we do in the operating room which you saw.
Okay, so do you want to talk more about the breast implant? Something that you missing that you want to tell, or is there something else?
For breast implant surgery, all the planning takes place in the consultation itself. This surgery is done using a very small 3 to 4 centimeter incision which is concealed in the crease under the breast. First, a small incision is taken on the skin. Then a pocket is created in which to place the implant. Now this pocket can either be above the muscle or under the muscle depending on the patient's requirement. Once an adequate pocket has been created, then we introduce the cohesive gel silicone implants using sterile technique into this pocket, and then the incision is closed using absorbable stitches which dissolve on their own.
Breast enhancement surgery is the most hushed surgery in India. People don't talk about it. I don't know why. There are many women who go through breast enhancement surgery for many reasons, to boost up their self-esteem, post-pregnancy, and sometimes their breast is not in proportionate order. But I feel that, you know, we should be in safe hand when we choose to do breast enhancement surgery.